Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're having a quick look at may and can for permission. For example, can I park my car here? Can I park my car here? Answer, yes you can, or no you can't. You can also use may. May I park my car here? Yes you may, no you may not. May is more polite, more formal. Can, more informal and more spoken, natural spoken English. Can I park my car here? Can I? Can I park my car here? Can I park my car here? Yes you can, yes you can. May I park my car here? Yes you may, or no you may not. You can contract cannot, can't, no you can't, but you can't contract may not. You can't say mayn't, it's may not. May I park my car here? Yes you may, or no you may not. In a statement you can say you can park here, you can park here, not you can park. You can park here. Yes, you can park here. No problem. With may, yes, you may park here. Of course, no problem. Slightly more formal with may, can is more informal and natural spoken. Of course, the past form of can is could. So, for example, we could park here yesterday, but we can't park here today. We could park here yesterday, but we can't park here today. For permission and a degree of formality, you may see a sign in a car park, for example, saying, visitors may park here, because it's formal language. Visitors may park here. Or, of course, visitors may not park here. You can also use allowed to. Visitors are allowed to park here, or visitors are not allowed to park here. And of course, don't forget the pronunciation of can and can't. You have the a sound, a, ca, can, or in cat, it's the a sound, can, cat, hand, bag, a, cat, and the r sound in can't, car, can't, r, as in car, hard, can't. And of course, American English is slightly different, as you would expect. They use the a sound for both. Can, can't, can, can't. But in British English, it's can and can't. And have a quick look at these three examples. Can I use your toilet? Can I use your toilet? Da 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 da. Can I use your toilet? Answer, yes of course, yes you can, no problem. Second one, can you do me a favour? The same intonation as the first. Can you do me a favour? Da 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 da. Can you do me a favour? Answer again, yes of course, or it depends what you want me to do. And the last one, can I help? You might hear that in a shop. Can I help? Can I help you? Can I help you? Again, similar intonation as the others. Da 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 da. Can I use your toilet? Can you do me a favour? Can I help? So it all depends on how formal the situation is. If it's informal, if it's spoken, use can. If it's formal language or formal situation, use may. So there we are. English grammar, may and can. Most of the time, it's pretty easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, and I'll see you and them next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.